If Krita crashed or you closed the file by accident, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find Krita Autosaves and recover your work step by step. We'll cover how to restore a crash session, how to recover an unsaved file from the temp folder, how to recover a saved project using an autosave file, and how to change your autosave frequency so you can protect your work in the future. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's get into it. First, let's start with the fastest recovery method after a crash. When you reopen Krita after an unexpected shutdown, look carefully to see if a recovery window appears. If Krita detects the previous session, you may get a prompt asking if you want to restore it. In that case, simply click Restore Session. This is the easiest way to get your work back because Krita will try to reopen the files and canvases it had before the crash. If the recovery window does not appear, don't panic. You still have other ways to find autosaves. Now let's move to recovering an unsaved Krita file. This is the method to use if you created something in Krita but never saved it manually before the crash or close. On Windows, press Windows plus R to open the Run box. In the field, type %temp%, then press Enter. This opens your temporary files folder where Krita may have stored recovery data. Inside this folder, look for a file ending in autosave.kra. That file is the recovery version of your unsaved project. Once you find the autosave file, the next important step is to copy it to another folder, such as your desktop or documents. This is a safety step because you never want to work directly from the temp folder if you can avoid it. After copying it, rename the file if needed. In some cases, you may need to remove autosave from the file name so Krita can recognize it properly. For example, if the file name includes autosave text, clean that up so it becomes a normal KRA file name. Then open Krita, go to Open, and open the recovered file from the new folder. If everything worked correctly, your unsaved artwork should load back into Krita. Next, let's recover a saved Krita file. This method is for when you already had a project saved, but you want to restore a previous auto-saved version. Open the folder that contains your KRA project. In that folder, look for a file with autosave in the name. A common example is something like sketch.kra-autosave.kra. That autosave file is usually the backup version Krita created while you were working. Just like before, copy the autosave file first so you keep the original safe. Then rename the copied file and remove autosave from the file name if necessary. After that, open the file in Krita to check whether it contains the version you need. This is especially useful if your main project file got corrupted, or if you want to recover an older working state from before a mistake was made. Now let's talk about how to change the autosave frequency in Krita, because this can help prevent future data loss. Click Settings, then click Configure Krita. In the Settings window, choose General, then go to File Handling. Here you'll see the autosave interval. You can change the autosave timing to suit your workflow, depending on how often you want Krita to save recovery data. If you work on important projects, a shorter autosave interval is usually a smart idea. After making your change, click OK to save the settings. So to recap, if Krita crashes, first try Restore Session. If that doesn't work, check the temp folder with Windows plus R and %temp% for an autosave KRA file. If you already saved your project, look in the project folder for a file with autosave in the name, copy it, rename it, and open it in Krita. And if you want better protection going forward, adjust the autosave interval in Krita's settings. If this guide helped you recover your work, please give the video a like and subscribe for more helpful Krita tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.